how to get Lloyds Bank business account. Yeah, if you're going to be using your mobile device or via your laptop or PC, the actual process is still the same. So first things first is of course head out straight into lloydsbank.com's official website, and this is going to be their homepage. From here, you see four options above like personal, business, private banking, and then international banking. Just head out straight into business. And then before doing so on filling out necessary informations on applying for a business banking account, make sure that you already prepare your your digital requirements, such as your social security number or any identification that you have from yourself. In here, just choose on apply online in minutes, and then you will be redirected back again to the same account in which you need to check if you qualify on opening a business account. Now choose on open an account, and then here you just have to choose on your business setup. It's going to be a limited company, sole trader, partnership, and then just simply choose a necessary option that suits your needs. Now, you just have to complete all the on-screen prompts till you will redirect to the final option to confirm your details like your general information and so on and so forth. And that's it. That's how you open up a Lloyds Bank business account.